In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps offline. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first, open up Google Maps, and then you want to go to the top right on your profile. From here, you want to scroll down until you see Offline Maps. Click on that, and then select your own map. Press on that, and then you can select anywhere of the area that you want to save a map. So let me scroll around, let me see, I want to go to Thailand. So I go over here, zoom in, and then I press download. Then it will download an offline version of this map, so I don't have to use any Wi-Fi, and it will actively track yourself. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.